Alrighty there, guys. Now I'm just gonna work on the sword here. My bollock sword. But let's face it, I might just call it my cock sword. There. Yep. There. So hopefully once I get it kind of flattened out, more of the blade is going to show. Right? So, that's going to be the good part. I'm going to flip it around. I'll probably get about that much that's showing and just stretch it as much as I could. Because I kind of have an idea just to kind of cheat my way a little bit. I might use this, clean it up, weld it to it, so just a quick and easy handle. That way I can just get the guard made, and that's really all I gotta do. So that's kind of what my theory and how that's gonna go. We'll see how that goes. Do. I think that spot's gonna give me grief. Yeah, my cousin's is visiting, so I gotta, be social. So I'm gonna do a couple of rounds. One's there. Then probably like probably like an hour or two, I'll just get right back to it. So, yeah. All right, so it ain't much of a start, but it's a start. So after, when they're gone, like probably in a couple of hours, got enough daylight, I'm fine. And I'm here tomorrow too, so woohoo! Peace. So if you like to see my, this is not going to be demonetized, but this is going to help the age verification thing. So if you want to see more of my cock sword, give me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Peace.